Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on an upload, and leave a comment below saying I subscribed and hello, and I'll always say hi back. With all of that said and done, let's jump into the video.
It's time to do.
Round 4, we are currently X1 and we are up against a young Cyber Dragon player who unfortunately couldn't resolve his cyber emergency via our Ash Blossom, so he sets one and passes. We go into a Lily. Unfortunately, this young fella hasn't got many hand traps on the go, so we're able to just lean right into our combo, and the intention is just to build a nice strong board. I'm just doing everything by the book for this dude, so even though I revealed 3 copies of Sleepy, I still had him pick one at random. We go into a special summon to Purrely and we miss our target. Go into a Noir. So again, not too concerned about what the face down is. We're just trying to commit resources to the board and not miss our Purrely target. And we get a Sleepy off there, which is good. I think I have a Pretty in hand. No. Oh, I'm making still off Waco, which is no longer in the deck. Maybe I was scared of the face down. I don't know. He does play Raigeki after all. I don't know why I committed to a Zeus if I've got a Noir on board. I think I should have played that differently and played into a Sylvan Sprite. Because he just Raigekis here, which I just let the Zeus die. "25-year-old card can still go off." Yeah. So we double limit removals to try and beat over Noir, where I just spin it back. We get straight on board. I don't think he's got many cards in hand, if any at all. So yeah, picks a random card. Just grabbing another copy of my friend, just because I'm going into a beauty, so I can go beauty, send the face down, absorb, start battle phase, yeah, and start hunting into him with the 2 monsters. I was worried about another Raigeki, so I'm just gonna sit here for a second. Excuse me. I've just finished locals. 4 rounds there. Filmed a deck profile, and now I'm filming 4 lots of videos here, so I'm a bit knackered. We're going into a happiness. We battle and get the free Pretty off that. And our board presence is a bit too much here. I think he gets his Cyber Dragon on board. I Book of Eclipse it. End phase, we get the Pretty. And yeah, he scoops it up there and we go into game 2. So we get the win on that one. We're going into game 2. We give him the Muscle Medic to look at. And he's going to go first. We're going to Ash his Cyber Dragon card. We get a Fenrir, and we're in good stead. Again, we're just trying to build a strong board. We use the happiness effect to protect our Fenrir. It's funny, looking back on these videos, my thought process has changed so much in a few weeks already. It's kind of good. Like, I'm enjoying watching myself grow and progress. Yeah, when you see this footage is a couple of weeks old, because I upload every day, so you know, you're not seeing yesterday's videos, but they're still new. We were able to build a fairly strong board first up without being interrupted. He kaiju's over the beauty. Bonkers. Breaks my heart. He's gonna try and dust her, which, what do? You draw the out, I guess, hey? We just banish the Cyber Dragon with Fenrir's effect. It commits it all to the board to go into a power bond. Yeah, so he punches out Happiness. I think he can attack them all once per turn. Yeah. OTKs himself. So yeah, what happened there was he OTK'd himself with his own power bond and ended the game on his own terms. I was a bit shocked. I was like, "What's going on? Why that happened?" But effectively, yeah, took damage from his own card effect, and we ended that tournament X1, and I think we came third, which was really cool. So see you in the next one, guys.
You're